Most people are doing affiliate marketing the wrong way, wasting their time posting random link on random sites. I did something different, and it ended in my first sale on a particular platform called Gumroad. So in this video, I'll be showing you my exact strategy, my blueprint on how I was able to make same money. So guys, this is my Gumroad dashboard, and you can see I'm just going to do a quick refresh so that you know that this is not a fake screenshot. It's actually my dashboard. So that is a refresh. So I'm just going to scroll down and go to my payouts. I'm going to scroll down and go to payouts. So you see, I got my first payout. My payout came on March 6, 2026, and it came directly to my local bank account. And so amazing, directly to my local bank account. And so that was a total of 16,422, 16,424 naira. I'll try this out to check if it actually works, because a lot of people say affiliate marketing is dead except you run ads. So I wanted to prove them wrong. I want to try it out on Gumroad to prove to you guys that you can also make money on affiliate marketing with free traffic, absolutely free traffic. So guys, I've shown you my payout proof. The next question now will be, how can I replicate same results? Number one step is to pick a right product. A lot of people fail in affiliate marketing from the onset. Why? Because they pick a wrong product. I'm going to give you a breakdown of the niches to pick a product from. If you can look at my screen right now, you can see that the product that I'm selling is in the health niche. And you know the product is thriving with POTS, a roadmap to recovery and overcoming postural orthostatic syndrome. This will lead me to give you a breakdown on the 3 most important niche to pick while looking for a product to sell in this current era. Number 1 is women's beauty, that is the health niche. Number 2 is relationship niche, and number 3 is adult health, which is still in the health niche. So proud of this knowledge, I decided to pick a product from the health niche. I want to stress you guys in picking a product. So see what I'm going to do for you guys. I'm going to give you guys the easy way out now. I'm going to leave the soft copy to this particular product that I promoted and got to my first sale in the description box below. So you guys can can just go click on it, download it, upload it to your Gumroad account, promote it, and it's easy for you to get same results. So the next question, how do I upload my product? So I'm going to assume you have gone to the link and have gotten the product. I'm going to show you how it looks like. I'm going to show you how it looks like. So now this is the soft copy. This is the soft copy of the ebook. This is the soft copy of the ebook. You can see living with POTS. I have like 3 variations. I'm going to leave it in the description box. So I'm going back to my screen. So how do I upload my product on Gumroad? So you're going to click on product. You're going to click on product. Bring it to this page. Click on new product. Click on new product. So to bring it to this interface, you click on digital product, because we are going with a digital product. First of all, I'm going to give you the name. I'm going to name the product. I'm going to type in the name. Living with POTS. With POTS. So we're going to upload to new. I'm going to click on next. That's to customize your product. So we'll go down and put a price for the product. This particular product is a digital product, so we don't want to overprice the product and we want to underprice it. So I'll just say $19 to $18 is a perfect price tag for this particular kind of product. I'm going to put $19. Yes. So next step, we're going to click on next. So this is one of the most important parts. Why do I say so? Because it's just like a landing page, and it's what makes 80% of your viewers that come to a landing page buy the product. So you're gonna put in the name, put in your nice description, then put in a photo cover. Let me go back to the previous product I did so that I can show you an example of what I mean. I'm going back to the home page because this is my first product that gave me that my first sale. I'm going to click on it. So you can see my description. I even put a limited time discount. This is the cover of the book. And you can see it's a very, very eye-catching and attractive description. So I'm also not going to stress you guys. We're going to create a description. But if you want to do it on your own, you can actually go to ChatGPT and ask it to give you a description, an eye-catching description based on the title of your book. Or to make things easy, I'm going to leave the description of this book and also the cover of the book in the description box below, so I can just go there, pick it up, then upload it on your Gumroad account. So we're going to the next step now, which is the most important part of this video: how to drive traffic. Believe me, A lot of people are getting this the wrong way. That is why you have been trying affiliate marketing and you have not been getting any results from it, because no matter how good your product is, no matter how enticed your product, if you're not able to run, you're not able to promote it the right way, especially if you don't have money to run ads to scale you up, you're not going to get a sale. I'm going to show you the exact way I used to get my first sale through free traffic. The platform I use is no other than the Facebook. And when you hear Facebook, you have to get scared. It's not the previous ways you've been hearing about. So first of all, you're going to create a Facebook account. If you don't have one, then you're going to customize your account. You're going to edit your account, give it a name, a kind of a name that sounds foreign. Like this is the account I used. I gave it Johnny Deep. Put any picture, but don't use your picture. You can put a picture of a cat or whatever. This is the picture I use, and if I feel I'm okay with this, you can change your own depending on your discretion. After creating your account, putting a nice profile picture, the next step we're going to take is to join this particular group I'm telling you about. So I'm going to join groups. I'll click on the menu and click on groups. So if you can click on groups, I'm going to scroll down. And mind, this is exactly the same account I used when I was trying to get my sale, that gave me my first sale. So you can see I've joined groups that are relating to the digital product I'm selling. A lot of people actually in the United States are suffering from this disease they call POTS. So just join a couple of them that are active. Just click on this particular group. So I'll show how the group looks like. You can see this is a group of people coming to ask questions. This one said, my daughter 9 years old is complaining about not getting enough air and it's sports related. You can see this is what this is all about. People having mental disorder, they're not getting air to affect their skin. They ask a lot of questions in this group. So what are we going to do now? What are we going to do in this group? We are going to be answering their question, but we're going to be answering that question in a very unique way. That's why I don't want you to skip any part of this video. After joining the groups, what is the next step to take? Now, you go to your profile. You go back to your profile. I'll scroll down and you create a pinned post. You create a pinned post. I created a pinned post. You can see the time that I created this post. It's the same month I got my sale. Go back to my payout, my sales. Yes, you see November 21st. To 27, that's when I got my sale. You can see it's corresponding. That's what I'm teaching you is legit, it's corresponding. So I go back to Facebook and we're going to create a post similar to this. You can screenshot this one, or you can also go to the description box and get post description so that you can replicate it in your own account. You see the post now. Check out this life changing book through the link below and start taking back your life today. Now this is the link to our digital product, that is the health book. So since we don't want to spam Facebook community, so we don't get our accounts trashed or terminated, I also want to put the link here. The cover of my book is also added to the post. So after getting your pin post, what is the next step to do now? And that's the question most of you ask. The next step now is to go to these groups. Then we look for a question to answer. A lot of questions. You can see for other kids who are restricted to home, do you have any suggestion for social avenues? Blah 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 blah. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to copy this question, then head over to ChatGPT. I'm going to head over to ChatGPT. I want you to pay attention so you don't miss out on this. Paste the question. After pasting the question now, I'm going to collect my master prompt. I already have a master prompt that I give to ChatGPT on how to answer this question that will make them to go to my bio and click on that, check out that pin post in order to get me a sale. So all I want to do now, I'm going to go to my notepad and I'm going to copy this master prompt. I'm going to copy the master prompt. I will leave the master prompt also in the description box below so you can also have access to it. So I'm going to paste the master prompt, paste it to my ChatGPT, and look at what I'm telling the master prompt. Now look out. I want you to reply this individual, explain that I myself experienced this. Explain to the individual the issue they're experiencing and the things that could help them. Then explain the need for that and blah 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 blah. And add that my doctor recommended this book, and I'll put the title of my book. maybe living with pots, living with pots, or whatever title you choose. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on send, and ChatGPT is going to do the entire work for us. You can see ChatGPT this is the reply for the person now, letting the person know that I genuinely felt this in my bones, blah 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 blah. Like just trying to let the person know that this same thing is passing through. You pass through it, and when you pass through it, your doctor gave you a solution, and the solution your doctor gave you was this book now. I want to recommend to the person. So I don't see, look down, I want to scroll down and see where the magic happens now. He recommended this book to me. Honestly, it opened my eyes in ways I didn't expect, living with pots. Then you can see you can find this book on the pin post in my bio. It's available on Gumroad. You can only access it through the link in the pin post in my bio. This is what actually sends them to your bio, and when they click on your bio, they are going to make a purchase. You see what we're going to copy this right away, then head on to our Facebook. Then see what we're going to do now. At the end of our Facebook, we're going to click on reply, and we reply this particular person. We're going to click on control V, and click on reply, and we're going to reply this person. And mind you, these are white people, they love to read a lot, so don't mind the lengthiness of the reply. They are looking for solutions, so they're going to take their time and read it through. So once this person read this, and you let him know that, oh, this is the only way, so this is the only, she has to go to the pin post. So what they're going to do now, they're going to click on your profile. They're going to click on your profile, and they're going to head on to this pin post. This is actually a pin post, and they're going to read this stuff and see that this is actually legit. They're going to click on your link. When they click on your link, what is it going to do? It's going to take them to your Gumroad page. So look at this, how the landing page looks like. This on the desktop, but most people are going to be using their mobile phone, so it will be way lot better on a mobile view. This is the best strategy. Don't bother trying to message them, because if you want to message them, Facebook is going to kill your account, because Facebook has placed a restriction that new account cannot message people, especially if these people are foreigners. If you follow everything I just explained to in this video, you definitely tend to get a sale. And I know most of you have gained value from this video. The only thing I'm asking from you, so leave me a like on this video, turn on the notification bell, so when I suggest my amazing video, you're going to get notified. Then, if you have any questions regarding the video, drop in the comment section. I'll make sure to try to reply every one of you.